Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy and on this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how you can lose weight like I have and be successful in a ketogenic way of eating. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell for more videos to inspire you on your keto weight loss journey. I'm not going to be editing this video or anything today. I'm talking to you live from my bathroom again so that I can share with you that there will not be a live chat today. I am sorry to disappoint you guys and let you down. I know how much it means to you guys to be able to chat with me, but I am smack dab in the middle of crazy packing and planning my son's outfits for his engagement pictures, which I am heading up tomorrow morning early to Washington to photograph his pictures for him and his fiance for their engagement. I did want to come on here and mention that I'd love to get together with anybody that lives anywhere near the area we're going to be in, which is about 30 minutes north of Seattle. I can't remember the name of the town, but if you email me, I will get you all the information. I'd love to get together with anybody and just chat about keto or answer your questions, do maybe a mentoring session, get together for lunch, get together for dinner. The best day for lunch would be either Thursday or Friday, and the best day for dinner will be Friday night. So if you're interested in meeting me and you will be near the Washington area, 30 minutes north of Seattle, will you please send me an email to ketochaos@gmail.com or hit me up on Facebook at Tamra Hyde or ketochaos, whichever one, or send me a message on Instagram. However you want to do it, get a message to me so that I can arrange that. I will be in the car all day tomorrow, probably in and out of service, and I would love to work out something to meet some of my awesome fans. Please don't be worried about meeting me. I love meeting my fans, and I love meeting you guys and answering your questions. It's just, I hate to go on a trip and not meet anyone. So if you can possibly come, I would be grateful, even if it's just one person and we just go out to eat. So anyway, that's where my life is at right now. I apologize for no live chat. I promise there are more great videos on the way. If you are a Patreon family member, you have already seen the DEXA scan video that is currently live on Patreon. That video will go live tomorrow for the rest of you. So don't worry, there's a great video coming and I'm sure you will enjoy seeing my DEXA scan and my results after a 16-week keto cut. All right, that's all I have for you guys. I love you all so much. I hope somebody can meet me in Washington, and if not, oh well. Wish me luck on my trip, and I'll catch you all again on Sunday, hopefully, for the weigh-in. We'll see y'all later. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you all again soon.